Welcome to the Codeness. In this chapter, I am going to show you how to perform the migration command. So as you can see, we already created the DB context file. Now I am going to run the migration command. So go to the tools, package manager console, write the command add hyphen migration, then give the migration name. So we can say create product table. Now hit enter. It will take some time. So now it giving the error your target shopping cart does not match your migration assembly. So either you have to change the target product or migrate assembly, or you can specify in a connection. So I am going to specify in the connection. So just copy this path and go to here and just paste comma. Now again try to run the code. This is because we are selecting the project web.shopping here. If we can select the data, then it will work fine, but I'm going to use for shopping cart.web here. So let's to migrate again. Now it's generated. Now we can just review the table. The table's name is the products identity constraint is already added. The field name is product name, product SKU, product price, product description is active, bit types. Then he added the constraint, create the unique index on product SKU, whatever the index we have to define. Now, for this, it is still not created a table in the database. So we have to write one more command, update database. Just hit enter. So as you can see, the create table statement is generated. As you can see, create table. Now you can go to the SQL we already connected. Just click, just refresh to shopping cart DB. Now expand here, go to the table. Then it will show the product table with the migration table. All by default is created. Now go to come here in migration folder. Here all the migration file are generated. Don't delete these migration files, and if you have to modify in future anything in the product table, then you have to write with the proper migration, otherwise your migration will be mismatched and you are not able to perform. You got the error. So if you remove or adding the file, you have to just write, then again write the migration. We will show you in the next subsequent video how to do that. So thank you for watching this video.